Histotechnology is the middleman between the patient and the pathologist. So the pathologist is going to be making the diagnosis of what's wrong with the patient. But the middleman, right here, we get the specimen, and we have got to be the person who processes it and embeds it, puts it in the wax block. Once you get the wax block, we're cutting it, we're making slides, we're doing all the different stains that are routine for diagnosis or that the pathologist asks for specific diagnosis. And that's what we're learning about. I'm excited to be helping people, and I know that that's very important work. It's like finding the clues for the diagnosis.
It's been really fun. It's not something that I didn't know about before. I didn't think I was going to do histology. I threw away all my books. I didn't think I was going to do it again. But I did want something else to do because my degree is kind of broad, and a lot of people who do go for my degree, they go to like medical school and all that kind of stuff. And I didn't want to do that. So then I looked into what they had here, and I just decided to do histotechnology.
Histology is the study of cells and tissues. We have histology classes in our histotechnology program where we learn about all of the different cells and tissues, and we learn the microanatomy of the cells and tissues. And then in the other classes, we learn how to make and how to test them and how to find disease. You need an associate's degree in order to be a histotechnologist, in order to prepare the slide. To give the final diagnosis, you need to be a pathologist, which is a medical doctor, but it's our job to do everything for them so that they can do the part that only they can do.
People were looking at cells and tumors and tissue and stuff, but I didn't know all the steps that went into it. And so I feel like being here has shown me the importance that every step takes before you get to the diagnosis.
It's been excellent with the students. The program's been around for about 8 years now. We're fully accredited. We have over 95% pass rate for the national certification boards. And our students have gone on to do all kinds of amazing jobs in research, in medical care, in diagnostics, in genetics, in electron microscopy. They've gone to many different states, and they're doing all kinds of things. They've moved on to get graduate degrees. So it's been a big success, and a lot of students have come back to me and said that they've got a chance to do really cool things that they wouldn't have done otherwise.
I think it's important to know that, because for a lot of people applying to colleges or like going for like degrees or whatever, they never think about the people who do everything behind the scenes. It's always, oh, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a nurse, I want to do all of that kind of stuff. But I feel like, honestly, if you still want to help people, being a histologist or a histotechnologist, lab technician, anything like that, that's perfect. You're still helping people in a way, and your job does matter.